Moringa Actives. Moringa Actives is a modern food supplement that helps weight loss reduction, and it was created for people who want to maintain a healthy body weight, reduce the feeling of hunger and support the metabolism. It helps in maintaining normal blood glucose levels. Moringa Actives is a food supplement based on natural active ingredients, which helps in the maintenance of normal body weight. The product formula was created by experts, who have combined scientifically proven extracts. Moringa Actives Review. However, the main ingredient of the product is an extract from the leaves of Moringa oleifera, moringan. Moringan is highly effective in reducing your appetite and the need for snacking. It helps in reducing lipogenesis, i.e. the production and storage of fat. All of this makes this food supplement effective in supporting weight loss and stabilizing your weight. What is Moringa Actives? Moringa Actives is a food supplement containing ingredients with proven effects. Its ingredients support weight loss on many levels, primarily by regulating blood glucose levels and reducing fat storage. Moringa Actives help maintain normal blood glucose levels, which is a major factor in limiting hunger attacks. How does Moringa Actives work? Reduces the accumulation of fat tissue. Helps in the maintenance of proper blood sugar levels. Helps in regulation of blood pressure. Lowers the level of cholesterol in the blood. Helps in work and regeneration of the liver. Click link in the description box to get Moringa Actives at 85% discount off. The benefit of Moringa Actives: helps to maintain a healthy weight, reduces the feeling of hunger, supports normal metabolism, regulates blood sugar levels, supports digestion. Moringa Actives ingredients: Citron Garcinia cambogia, contains 60% hydroxycitric acid, inhibits lipogenesis, regulates blood sugar level, reduces the need for snacking, speeds up metabolism. Bioperine, piperine, 95% piperine, induces thermogenesis, supports the functioning of the liver, enhances ingredient absorption. Is a component of many enzymes. Regulates blood sugar levels. Help reduce appetite. Supports metabolism. Facilitates weight loss. Is the Moringa Actives food supplement safe? Moringa Actives contains only safe and natural ingredients. The food supplement was produced in the European Union, maintaining all the necessary quality standards. Click link in the description box to get Moringa Actives at 85% discount off.